morning to you all. I am going to start English 1, total English for class 11. Now see here, for English 1 I have written for you in class 10. When you were in class 10, I wrote on the blackboard that 4 things you have to keep in mind. First of all, listen. Second one is speak or imitate. Third one is reading. Fourth one is writing. Say listen to the teacher, listen to the, you can say here, the TV, English news, listen to those people who are talking in English. Alright, then imitate what they have talked, those words, those phrases, those sentences, those idioms you have to use in your, you can say, conversation, in your writing. Then you have third, reading. You have to read, you can say, different kinds of books, novel, magazines, newspapers, short stories, any book of English. If you read, you will improve, your English will improve. Then fourth one is writing. Writing is the most difficult one. That is why exam is conducted in writing. For writing, of course, you have to, you can say, think, you have to imagine. First of all, you can say you have to be quiet, no talking with others, not looking here and there. Think of, you can say, your own subject, the topic. Then you have to imagine, think, and then you have to write. For essay writing, you have certain points you can jot down. You have introduction, beginning, middle, and end. Okay, now we are going to see here total English. Today is Friday. Actually, this class was on Wednesday, but they have deleted it. It is not, you can upload it. Now see here, 28/8/2020 class 11 total English, page number 8. Here see, you have to change from simple sentence to compound sentence. Now see, simple sentence, you can say here on page number 7 you are given a simple sentence has only one subject and one predicate. Generally a sentence is having one subject and one verb. A simple sentence is one subject and one predicate. In other words, a simple sentence has one finite verb. One simple sentence has one finite verb. Okay. Now see here, we are going to see this assignment. Few examples you are given on page number 8. From simple to compound, how to change from simple to compound sentence. So simple sentence has, you can see here, one subject, one predicate, and you can say it is of course a sentence. It is equal to a clause, or equal to, you can say here, a coordinate clause. In compound sentence, there will be, of course, 2, you can say here, independent clauses, coordinate clauses. And in complex sentence, one main clause will be there, clause means sentence, one main sentence, and other sentences will be, of course, depending on the main clause, main sentence. That is what you have. Now see, first one we have here. The question is, in spite of being poor, he is honest. See, he is poor, but still he is honest. He is poor, but still he is honest. Okay, number 2. Looking at the crowd, he dived into the sea. Now see the answer here. Looking at the crowd, he dived into the sea. It is a simple sentence and you have to change into compound. So you have to read the instruction. Read the following simple sentences as compound sentences. Okay, rewrite the following simple sentences as compound sentences. So the second one is, he looked at the crowd and dived into the sea. Okay, now see number 3rd. She was weak owing to ill health. She was weak owing to ill health. Now see, you have to change like this into compound sentence. She was ill and therefore she was weak. She was ill and therefore she was weak. Number 4. Being a cripple, he cannot ride a bicycle. Being a cripple, he cannot ride a bicycle. Now see the answer here. He was a cripple, so he cannot ride a bicycle. He was a cripple, so he cannot ride a bicycle. That is, you can see here answer. Now see here 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see, let us take 5. 5. The question is, running fast, he got out of breath. Running fast, he got out of breath. Now see number 5. Answer, you see, you have to change into compound sentence. He ran fast and got out of breath. He ran fast and got out of breath. Okay, now we are going to 6. To make certain of getting a place. The question is, number 6. To make certain of getting a place, you must apply early. Now see here. Not get a place. Now 7. You must apply early or you may not get a place. Number 7. The sun having risen, the fog disappeared. Now you see the answer. The sun rose and the fog disappeared. The sun rose and the fog disappeared. Alright, number 8. He was honored because of his learning. He was honored because of his learning. See here, he was learned and therefore he was honored. So we have finished assignment 1. Now we are going to assignment 2. That is on page number 9. All right, we are going to see page number 9, assignment 2. See, here you have to read the, you can say, instruction. In each of the following items, sentence A is complete but sentence B is not. Complete sentence B, making it as similar in meaning to sentence A. Write down sentence B complete in each case. I will write, okay, the answer. Now you see first one. First one you see. Having changed his clothes, he went for a walk. Okay. So first one, the answer is having changed his clothes, he went for a walk. Okay, now say number 2. I called her but she gave me no answer. In spite of my calling her, she gave no answer to my call. Okay, so we have finished 2. Okay, now see number 3. You must work hard or you will not succeed. You have to start, complete, end the sentence with these words, to succeed. Unless you work hard, you will not succeed. Okay, number 4. Not only was he set free, but also was given some money. He was set free. Besides, So we have finished number 4. Now say 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see number 5. He was ill and therefore he could not go to his school.